Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer MongoDB collections with mongodump and restore. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer MongoDB collections using mongodump and restore, you need to follow these detailed steps. First, ensure that MongoDB is installed and running on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Begin by navigating to the directory where you want to store the backup. Use the mongodump command to create a backup of your desired collection. The syntax is as follows: mongodump db your database name collection your collection name. After running this command, check if the dump folder was created in your specified directory. Inside this folder, you will find a BSON file containing your collection data. To transfer the backup to a different server, use a secure method like SCP or RSINC. For example, use SCP or dump user at remote_host/path/to/destination to copy the dump. Once the collection is on the target server, log in to that server via SSH. Navigate to the directory where you copied the dump. Use the mongodump command to restore the backup to the MongoDB instance. The syntax is mongodump db your database name /path/to/dump your database name /. After executing the restore command, MongoDB will load your collection from the BSON file. You can verify the restoration by connecting to your MongoDB instance. Use the Mongo shell and run the command db.getCollectionNames. Check if your restored collection appears in the list. Additionally, run a few queries to ensure the data integrity post-restore. If everything looks good, you've successfully transferred your MongoDB collections. Remember to clean up any temporary files created during the process if they are not needed. This concludes the process of transferring MongoDB collections with mongodump and restore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.